This is the morning weather update. This is for Leap Day, Thursday, the 29th of February. This is James Spann, Alabama's weather as advertised. Much cooler today. A lot of clouds around today, but I think much of the day will be dry. We'll see rain back in here tonight and tomorrow. But what about the weekend? A lot of questions. Many outdoor events are happening. So let's start with the upper air look this morning. Little wave coming into Texas, and that will be producing the rain tonight and tomorrow. Trough moving into the northeast United States that delivered the cold air and the cold front we experienced yesterday. Here's the radar composite across the deep south early this morning. And again, there's a little light rain over parts of central Mississippi, north Louisiana, along Interstate 20. And there could be a few spotty sprinkles today. But again, I think much of this day will be dry. We'll see rain increasing tonight and tomorrow with that wave coming in from the west. A lot of clouds around this morning, so most spots are above freezing. But still, remember, at this time yesterday, we were sitting around 70. This morning, we've got 30s for the northern half of the state. Huntsville, 37. Birmingham, 39. Mostly 40s to the south. Mobile, though, at 54. Here's the watch warning map around the nation this morning. We've got a number of issues out west. The Sierra Nevada mountains in California will be slammed with snow. You got blizzard warnings in effect there over the next few days. Winter storm warnings for parts of Northern California, Oregon, Washington State, Nevada, Idaho, Wyoming. But the east is fairly quiet. No severe storms expected today or tonight. There could be some thunder across Louisiana and some of the adjacent states. Also some pockets of thunder back in the northwest. Now, tomorrow we're in the green here. That means there could be a thunderstorm, but there's no chance of any severe storms. The air will be cool and stable. We'll be in the 50s during the day as the rain falls, so storms, if they form, will be elevated, not rooted down at the surface. And again, the chance of some thunder for the northern Pacific coast. And on day 3, which is Saturday, maybe some thunder for South Alabama, but I think much of the state will get away with no rain on Saturday, just a few spotty, isolated showers. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. And the pattern looks fairly wet tomorrow and through much of next week. Rain amounts for most of Alabama in the 2 to 4 inch range. So let's take it on a daily basis. Model fans with a GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. And again, you can see the shortwave moving into Texas. And that brings rain in here tonight and tomorrow. But again, for much of the day today, I'd say the day will be dry. Probably a lot of clouds around, maybe a few peaks of sun. And we're expecting highs in the 50s in most places today, which is below average for the end of February. We'll check the high-resolution HER model, valid this evening at 6 o'clock. And again, there could be a few sprinkles around, some patches of light rain. And again, rain will be increasing tonight and into the day tomorrow with that shortwave coming in. Shortwave aloft. And again, the surface, cool, stable air, just rain, maybe some thunder in spots, but no severe storms. So for the weekend, the good news, we warm up again. This is Saturday. We'll be in the upper 60s and low 70s. And could there be a few isolated showers around? Yes. But much of the day dry, the sun peeking through at times. And then Sunday, highs go in the 70s statewide. And the same thing, there could be a few scattered showers, yes. So if you've got something planned outdoors for the weekend, absolutely, there could be a shower or two, but we don't expect anything heavy or widespread. And a big warm-up. Again, by Sunday, everybody will be in the 70s. So next week, now the model, this particular run is kind of backed off on the coverage of rain. We do expect to see an increase in rain coverage Monday as a front approaches from the west. Got a surface low that's east of Des Moines. And again, Monday should be relatively mild, highs in the 70s. And then Tuesday, rain coverage increasing more, the surface low near Chicago. And there certainly could be some thunderstorms with this, but the better dynamic forcing to the north, limited instability, not really a severe weather look. And then Wednesday, the front just kind of runs out of gas, and it's going to stall out probably just north and west of the state, so we stay in a pool of moisture. So there could be some rain around on Wednesday. And this is a week from today, Thursday, March 7th. Same idea, trough in the west. Again, a southwest flow aloft, and most of the rain on this run west of the state, but there could be a few showers around. The bottom line is the weather next week looking relatively unsettled with some chance of rain on a daily basis. And timing out the individual waves of rain, kind of hard to do at this point. But high should be in the upper 60s and low 70s on most days. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, March 9th. Got a pretty good trough passing northeast of the state. A deep surface low over Delaware, 993 millibars. And if this happens to be right, that would be a whopper of a March snowstorm for Pennsylvania and some of the adjacent states. But hey, we all know this could change. And if by chance this works out, we would be dry down here. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean is the green line. A little under 4 inches between now and the 14th of March. Check temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models, the ensemble approach. Cool today and tomorrow, and then we are relatively mild. We've got mid-50s today and tomorrow, upper 60s Saturday. Then readings around 70 for much of next week with lows in the 50s. But again, I caution you, all of you green thumbers, every year I say the same thing. If you want to plant something that would be harmed by a freeze, I would wait until April 15th. We've had a freeze as late as April 23rd, but typically by April 15th, in terms of climatology, you're in pretty good shape. So that's a long way away. Latest temperature outlook, this is for March 7th through March 13th. Again, the upper pattern suggesting a trough in the west where temperatures should be below average, a ridge in the northeast with temperatures above average, and they should be a little above average here if this works out. Oh, yeah, the Alabama State bird, is going to be in flight with the wind we've had the past 48 hours. Those things, if they don't stick the landing right, they can be problematic. A lot of CLCs yesterday, creepy-looking clouds with the cold front, the line of showers and thunderstorms passing through. That's a good shot there of the Shelby County Courthouse in Columbiana. And some really creepy clouds down in Baldwin County on the eastern shore. That's Fairhope. And really and truly, the showers were in the process of dissipating. There was no thunder when these shelf cloud photographs were taken. I tell people all the time, shelf clouds can look kind of menacing, but it doesn't necessarily mean the storms are that bad. And really, in this case, those were just dying rain showers. But that was the view from Fairhope late yesterday as that cold air finally reached the Alabama Gulf Coast. Hey, headed to Marion County today. Hamilton Elementary School. It'll be a lot of fun. And then tomorrow, going to be back in Calhoun County at Coldwater Elementary School. And don't forget a big event coming up on Saturday. It is a weather radio programming event and a book signing all at the same time. This is going to be at Homewood Ace Hardware. We'll be there from 10 until 1. The baseline for getting severe weather warnings, it's a weather radio. It's like a smoke alarm in your house for a tornado. Everybody needs one, your home and your business. Bring it by, we'll check it for you to be sure it's programmed properly. If you need one, you can buy one there. We'll program it on the spot. We'll have a group there from the National Weather Service in Birmingham. And at the same time, we'll do a book signing. We'll have all the weather shirts and hats, the books for adults and kids. It's going to be a great day. So come see us Saturday at Ace Hardware in Homewood between 10 and 1. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.